have here the Premer LED desk light. In this video, I first want to talk about some of the attributes or features of this light. After that, I want to give you a close-up of this light and demo it for you. And then I'll give you a list of pros and cons, and then once that's completed, I will demo this light at night to give you a better idea of how it works. So the first thing, this comes with a 7-foot power cord, and that's quite generous for a desk light. Many of the ones that I have, and I have a handful of them, they give you those USB cords, and those USB cords are real short. This one is not like that at all. You know, you can put it wherever you want and not have to worry about how close your outlet is. This is an 8-watt LED bulb, so clearly you're going to have some energy savings over your incandescent lights. About that LED bulb, this is a flicker-free bulb. If you're used to those tube lights, many retail outlets have them, but you know, those are flicker lights, and oftentimes those have a draining effect on your eyes where you get tired and you don't even notice it. That's not the case with this, so you don't have to worry about having eye fatigue with this. The color temperature of this light is about a 3500 K color temperature, so it's somewhere in between the warm amber and the cool blue LED light. So this is a look at the touchpad, power button, and then varying levels of intensity. So it does have that memory function where it remembers your last setting. And then I'll show you how this folds. So this can fold up and down. And then it also goes nearly flat. And one unique feature about this light in particular is you're able to rotate it full 360 degrees and keep rotating it. And your cord might get wrapped up if you keep rotating it, but not many lights I've seen are able to rotate that 360. So finally, this is the review part, the pros and cons. I like this light. It suits most of my needs. One thing I would like to see is maybe having a USB outlet that you can plug your phone or other electronic devices with. Another thing I would like to see is being able to control the color temperature of the light. If you stick to one color temperature, you know, this is fine. It'll meet your needs. However, if you want to vary the mood or the setting, this doesn't allow for that. So if you want that warm, pleasant amber lighting that's a low color temperature, you're not able to do that. However, if you wanted to switch to, on the same token, if you wanted to switch to the high color temperature where it's closer to that LED blue light, you can't do that. Having said that, this light is a nice middle ground for those. It represents the color. The closer you get to the middle, the color spectrum is accurately depicted. So it does do that well, better than the lower or higher end. So in that regard, you know, it's fine. But it'd be nice to have that option, but not a big deal. So those are the only two drawbacks. I like the light intensity of it, and I like how it folds, and it, you know, overall it does a good job. So with that said, I will demo this at night and give you a better idea of how it looks in the dark. So this is a look at it in the dark, and to give you an idea of the intensity, this is the lowest setting, and I'll go up second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And to give you an idea of the light dispersion, so it's almost, you know, flat here, where it disperses out, which is pretty nice. So I'd say it's probably 160 degrees that it disperses light. So So anyway, that's a quick look at it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Many times, you've seen it watching a baseball game or something like that where the LEDs on the scoreboards, when they slow it down, it flickers. That's what that is, that flicker. This does not have that.